Hi guys, Omar here. So the last Winterfest challenge is to open up one or two ammo boxes, I think it is, in named locations like the Ice Throne, which is where I'm at now, right there on the map. You've got the workshop, which is right there, and then you've also got the Shiver Inn, which is right there. So you have to go to one of these locations and open up um, uh, two ammo boxes, or you can obviously do that in separate locations as well. So that was just a quick look at that, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.